Let's solve a right triangle. Okay, we have the figure here, triangle A, B, and C. Sides A and B we need to find, as well as angle B. We're given that the hypotenuse is 13 and that angle A is 21 degrees. I would start by finding angle B. Angle B will be equal to 180 degrees minus our 90 degrees, our right angle there, minus our 21 degrees, our other given angle. So we know that angle B is equal to 69 degrees. All right? So now we have to address the sides A or B. And it doesn't matter which one you want to find first. Let's just go ahead and find A. So now we got to think about what trig function involves 21 degrees, side A, and the hypotenuse rather, which is 13. So let's write this. That's obviously the sine. So this is the sine of 21 degrees is equal to the opposite, A, over the hypotenuse, which is 13. Think of these as a proportion. Do a quick little cross multiply. We know that A is equal to 13 times the sine of 21 degrees. Make sure that your calculator is in degree mode. Fire that in there, and we're going to get approximate value of 4.7 units for side A in this case. They wanted this to one decimal place. Now we need to find side B, and that's the last part of this problem. As before, we have to think what trig function involves the angle 21 degrees, side B, and the hypotenuse, and that's our cosine. So the cosine of 21 degrees is equal to the adjacent B over the hypotenuse, 13. As before, cross multiply to solve for B. We have B is equal to 13 times the cosine of 21 degrees. Again, piling this into your calculator, we'll get an approximate value of 12.1 units for side B, and then we have it. We've solved every bit of our triangle. We have all three sides and all three angles.